Hello and welcome everybody. I'm Josh and today we're going to be taking a look at CloverPit, the demo version. This one has been released for I think about a week and a half, maybe a week. Uh, it's not a game that I would normally play, but I wanted to take a look at it. It's on one of the popular lists for Steam right now. It looks really interesting. It's kind of got like a Baltro feel in the sense that it's a traditional kind of casino game that isn't quite traditional. They call it a roguelike slot machine, I think is what they're calling it. But it's supposed to be really fun, and I wanted to check it out. So I went ahead and downloaded the demo for this one and wanted to play it with everybody here. Now, I did boot it up to adjust the resolution for the screen, so that is why that's up there. So the settings, if you end up playing this, are in the filing cabinet. You can't change them from any menu that I'm aware of. So if there's a way to do that, I couldn't find it. But I tried not to look around too much. Is that a claw? Is that a claw? Oh, why is the camera zooming? Don't like it. What's that? Oh. Okay. So I do think I missed out on the tutorial for this because I just kind of closed everything and said I don't need it when I was changing the resolutions. So we're going to figure this out as we go. Okay, it looks like these take whatever that is in the top right. Some kind of ticket, Clover ticket. If I had to guess, since it said these are Lucky Charms, these are the equivalent of the troll dolls next to the slot machines that you see people touting here in Las Vegas. The good luck charms to get you what you need. I don't know what any of this does. Bells manifest more often. Cherries manifest more often. +5 luck triggers randomly. 25% chance for diamonds to have the golden modifier. Golden modifier. Scoring a symbol with this modifier increases the symbol by its base value permanently. That seems good. Is there a thing with values? Oh. So that would, okay. And that's got a pretty good rate, right? I assume. I don't know what I'm doing anyway, so... Oh, there's a chart. Common, uncommon, rare, and legendary. So this one is... uncommon. And the rest are common. You know what? I'm buying that. Don't think twice. Oh, it zooms. It looks like the camera does it whether you go up or down. What is this? Oh, that's my final reward. What's this? Oh, this is the credits. Deadline number 1. 3 rounds left. Debt 75. Deposited 30. Interest 2. Deadline bonus. I don't know what that is. We'll figure it out. Oh, that's the thing I just bought. Wait, put in drawer? And these are the payouts. Okay. 3 horizontal, 3 vertical, 3 diagonal, 4 horizontal, 5 horizontal, a zig, a zag, above, below, I, and jackpot. Okay. So let's, I guess, start playing. I'm gonna do 7 spins.
Let's go gambling.
Oh, that's weird. So these aren't normally the kind of games I'd go for. Again, living in a casino city, I try to stay away from games like this. I know Baltro was a lot of fun, but I actually ended up staying away from that one for a long time too, just because there's so many card tables that I've seen. But it's not really related, so that's why I wanted to give this one a shot too. Okay. I spent 7. Am I getting that back? Oh. Oh, okay, okay, so... Oh, wow, okay, so it triggered that... 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So we got plus 20 to diamonds now. We got plus 20, 30 to diamonds now. That's really good. Oh, I got a ticket. I got another ticket. I could get the pepper. So, I know you're supposed to pay off your debt. That's the only thing I'm aware of. And I'm guessing this will do it. So, wait, is there a strategy here? If I pay it off now, is that what this is? If that's what this is, then I can get 8 tickets. But if I get 8 tickets, I'm not going to have as much money to start the next round, right? Or is this the only deadline? It says number 1. There's got to be more. There's got to be more. So maybe I see how the next round goes. And then I worry about paying it off. You kind of gotta, right? Oh my god, it's shaking so hard. Okay, sure. Yeah, we'll do another 7.
Let's go gambling.
Let's go gamble. Oh man, we're already getting them. 40. So I wonder if there's golden multipliers you can get for the other symbols, because that would be... That seems like it's the winning strategy, right? No spins left. What the hell was that? Are you threatening to drop me? Well, that's disturbing. I mean, this is supposed to be a horror-esque slot machine roguelike, so I suppose the impending death looks like a pile of meat is probably... Is that my food? And that's not recyclable. Is probably the accurate description. So this went down. I could have gotten 8 tickets, now I can only get 4. Should I do it? Should I not? Because I could get another round, but I won't get more tickets, right? Let's do it. How about another deadline? You now need to reach the amount of 200. And here's your deadline bonus. Don't say I never treat you. By the way, the cost to play this slot machine increases after every deadline. Of course it does. Alright, well I got 6 Hey, these restocked. Toy train, luck, +5 on next spin if the previous 2 had no reward. +2 extra luck for every in-sequence activation after the first. Whenever you see at least one pattern with 4+ symbols during a spin, increases all patterns by their base value until the end of the round. At the end of every deadline, earn 1 extra ticket for every 3 you own. Manifest this seems useful. Consumes all charges when triggered. Recharges 1 at the end of every round. This seems really useful, potentially, right? That seems really good too, though. That only costs 1, so I think I'm gonna buy that. And that only costs 1. Huh. I'm gonna go with this one. There. Oh, look at my little train set. Do I want to get that? What is that? What's happening? I'm feeling lucky. Can I borrow some green? Life gave me lemons. Double the value of clovers and bells. Lemons manifest more often, permanently. Are lemons worth it? Clovers and bells, so that would be 6. I don't want these to manifest more often. I want diamonds to manifest more often, and that also means I don't care about this, right? So I can take 5 tickets, I guess. You know what? Yeah, that works. I don't know if that was the right decision, but that's the decision I'm making. And now I'm gonna buy this. And I guess maybe this. Yeah, sure. So it's 14 to play, so... Oh, okay. So it does keep what you deposited last time, which is good. I need 14. Oops. Okay.
Let's go gambling.
Let's go gamble. So this is how you get more diamonds. Let's do it.
You have it.
Well, that wasn't diamonds. No, that's what I'm talking about. I think that was the right move. I think I'm a genius. I think that is a missed opportunity. I think that is also a missed opportunity. Ooh, train. Oh, that's right! Nice. And I have one left. That was a great everything. That was fantastic. Look at that. 492. We could finish this right now. And I would get, geez, 9 tickets? Should I finish it now, or should I keep going to get more money banked? I'm just gonna finish this now. No, maybe not. Because I have 4 tickets. I could get 1 more. And I need a couple of rounds for that to recharge. You know what? No. We're gonna go 1 more round.
Let's go gambling.
Oh, train. All right, we got 1 left. Well, bummer. I don't know if that was necessarily worth it. Why? Why do you do that? Why do you threaten me after a round? It's not the deadline yet. Let's go ahead and pay this. He's getting antsy, right? You can now encounter the pattern 666. That's why it's CloverPit 666. If you score it at the slot machine, you'll lose all money earned that round. That sounds terrible. You now need to reach the amount of 666. Well, I'm most of the way there, so there's that. And I have 10 tickets. Oh, telephone. Can I tempt you with something? There's nothing to eat but mold. I don't know, there's a bin full of meat down there. Halves the base chances to manifest lemons and cherries permanently. Then apply the devious trait. Ooh, no. I don't want to do that. I don't care about the price. Make 2 random lucky charms in the store free. No, I don't. I have a lot of tickets. I'm not doing that. Has the base chance to manifest clovers and bells permanently. Okay, so if I did that, then that would lower those to 7. So that'd be 14% added across the rest of them, I guess. What do we got over here? Oh, pentacle. Wait. Uncommon, uncommon. Ooh, what is that? That's a rare. Oh, I gotta answer that. A rare. If a lucky charm triggers during a spin, raise this bonus by 1. Ooh. That could be good. It could also be really crap. Bells manifest more often for the rest of the current. No. This bonus grows by 1 whenever 5+ patterns trigger during a spin. I like that. I like that one a lot. This one could synergize with that though, right? You can get multiple plus bonuses. I gotta quit hitting the escape. Let's go ahead. I should have done that. I'm gonna do this. It doesn't matter. What matters is you're having fun. Time doesn't matter. What matters is having fun. You know, I'm having fun. I'm having a good time. Congratulations, you unlocked a car battery. Doesn't take up space. Immediately restore all charges. Oh, can I buy that? I can't buy that. Okay. Bells manifest more often. No, I just got those lowered. +7 luck for the current spin. Yeah. I like this one. I kind of like this. But also, I don't think this is going to hurt me. I need 400. I actually have almost enough already. Let's just go this round and see what happens. God, 28.
Let's go gambling.
What are you? Oh, this is the... Okay. That's those. Choo-choo. Oh my god, that was 120. Those are up to 40. Oh yeah, look at this chance. That's fantastic. Can I hit this yet? No. So there's a lot going on with all these triggers. Oh, I didn't get anything. But I did get another ticket. I guess I should deposit some of this, right? So I can get the interest. I don't want to deposit all of it, though. I'm gonna stop here for the moment. Because that's 44 in interest. Do I want to get these? I could probably use luck, but I don't know. It says it triggers randomly. Yeah, why not? Oh. I can't do that. Okay, well, I like what I got, so I'm gonna keep these. Oh, my... That's ready.
Let's go gambling.
Heck yeah. 32%. We got luck. Oh my god. That's all? Oh. That looked like it was gonna be so much more. I'd like to see something really big one time. That isn't those sixes. Okay. Well, I've already reached my limit for those. So I'm not actually worried about these. We can just go the last round. Oh, this is gonna stay until this end of round anyway. And I got luck. Well, that's okay. Oh my god, it goes up again. 60, plus 60 to those. Or plus 55. That was definitely the way to go, is the bonus like that. Oh my god, 520 on that one. Holy crap! Oh, we definitely hit this deadline. Why are you threatening? I obviously have enough money. And 4. Congratulations again, but you can never have enough, am I right? Now you need to reach the amount of 2,220. Well, at least I'm doing all right. And I got a lot of interest. Oh, that's right, I got a phone call. Everything okay? I'm feeling lucky. I'm sure the value will rise. I'm thinking of some strategies. Increase the value of patterns. That's pretty good. Add the speculative trait, 3% to your interest, to a lucky random charm you have equipped. That's not bad. Or double the value of clovers and bells, but I just lowered those, so I'm not going to do that one. I'm actually not sure which one of these is better. +3 to interest. How much does the interest give me? 7, so it'd be 10%. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Especially as you start getting into higher values, that's going to start paying off, right? Do we have anything over here that's worth looking at? Oh, that'd be pretty neat. During every spin, increases all symbols by their base value for every pattern triggered after the second one. That's kind of similar to the other one I have, right? Clover picture. Lemon picture. I keep hitting escape. I gotta stop. No. Let's, I feel like this happens often enough. This would actually be worth it, but I don't know how much it would be worth it. Is that gonna get me more than this? Because if we're just doubling it, I mean, okay, if it triggers on a diamond, I guess, then it would be worth it. But this is guaranteed. $42. So I can pause it a lot. Oh my god, look at the interest. This was definitely the right idea. I'll stop here. Look at that, 188 just interest. Oh, what the hell? Oh, that's the speculative trait. It makes things glowy. Got it. I have 2 more spins, so I could use it on the 3rd one if I need it. If I don't need it, I should save it. Oh, that was close. 140. That was kind of a crap round, huh? A couple more of those and I'll be in some trouble. Let's see, I got 1 more and then I can use the diamond if I need to.
Let's go gambling.
Ooh, 5. I do think the interest rate was the right decision, though. I know there was that diamond that I got right off with the 3, but I don't think... Yeah. Last spin, this was not good. Oh. And I lost everything I just made anyway. Don't threaten me. I have enough. But I'm not going to be happy about it, so I'm going to... Do I use that, though?
Let's go gambling.
I want to get some big stuff, and I want to... What was that?
You don't know.
I don't know what that was. And that was a waste of my luck. I want to get some bigger diamond, something across it as much as possible, if possible, if I can. I'd love to have a couple thousand to go into whatever the next round's going to be. Oh, but it's not going to deliver on that, is it? Looks like I got too lucky early on, and now I'm spoiled. So now that I'm getting normal stuff, yeah. Okay, I know. I wonder what happens if you just go and don't actually come over to the machine. I'm not gonna find out right now. 2. I have 1,000, so God, 12,500. Okay. What is this? So this is the last round, and I used my trigger already. Crap. I didn't know that was a thing. Alright, what is this? Congratulations, you unlocked the nuclear button. All lucky charms triggered by the red... Okay. Grandma's purse increased interest by 15%! But decreases 3% after every round. That's possibly worth it. So I can... Okay. Sure. Symbols multiply +1 for every 5 tickets you own. So it would be +3. That's not bad. This interest rate, though. So this won't be done in time unless I got a battery. So I should probably... No, but that gives me the +3%. No, wait. This is more. This will be more. This isn't going to serve a purpose for me. Yeah, this won't serve a purpose for me right now, so I'm going to put in the drawer. There's no drawers in the demo. Well, it's the last round, right? So I'm gonna go ahead. What's the clover? I don't need this anymore because this is the last one. So I can take this. would be nice to have. So I'll still have 15 with those two, but let's see what the phone has. 7s manifest more often permanently. Triple the value of the 7. Lucky Charms at the store are discounted by 2 until the... Well, the 7s aren't going to do me any favors, so I'm going to do this. 3. Oh, I'm at my limit. Well, that was stupid. 25% interest though. That's amazing. 56. Oh, I just went all the way to it. But I'm getting 812 back.
Let's go gambling.
Right off. That's not big, but it's for something. I need diamonds. Oh, this doesn't look good. And it looks better. Holy crap! The diamonds were the right way to go. I'm gonna need a lot more than that though. But look, 812. So if I deposit this, and deposit this, and deposit this, I'm getting 1,000 in interest, and that's even with it going down. I guess we'll see. We'll see. I gotta do a lot better. Getting 12 isn't gonna win. I really need those diamonds. Alright, this isn't looking up. So I think that's starting to become a reality if this keeps going this way. So here's what I'm gonna do. I did the refresh. Horseshoe. Oh, this was not what I wanted. I want to get this back, but I don't think it's gonna happen, so let's try one more time. I don't think we're gonna make it. Last one. If we can get a jackpot with diamonds, it's not gonna happen though. 0 rounds left. Too bad. Better luck next time. Give me my interest. Take it. I was close. No! Well, that was a lot of fun. I actually did enjoy that, surprisingly. Like I said, this isn't normally my type of game, but it's pretty fun. I might actually end up buying this and doing a longer video of it. Thanks for watching.
Let's go gambling.